Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can perform the virus scan on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. In order to check for malware, we can go to the settings, then scroll down and go to security and privacy, and then over here tap on app security. And then over here you can choose app protection, where we can scan our phone. So it should take just a while in order to scan every app that we have installed on our device, and then we should see the result of the scan. And as you can see, we have no threats found. We can also see the last scanned time, and that's pretty much it. In addition to that, we can also go to the top right corner and tap on app protection settings in order to find the option to automatically scan apps daily and automatically scan apps when they are being installed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.